Hey everybody, back in the kitchen again today. Today I'm going to do a cheeseburger macaroni bake. So obviously the two main ingredients here are hamburger, that's from one of our steers, and the macaroni. So we got a 16 ounce box of macaroni, pre-cooked, drained, ready to go. Generally the recipes call for a pound of hamburger. This might be closer to 2. But we really like hamburger, so we'll get more of the burger flavor here with it. Get those stirred together. Alright, then the next thing, got some tomato sauce here. Can of diced tomatoes. And for all the guys out there, in case you're curious, you can pick up all these ingredients at the Fleet Farm. So, good to know. Also a baby can of tomato paste. And a cup of beef broth. A little stirring again here. There are also a half a cup of leeks in here that I did cook with the hamburger while the hamburger was cooking in the skillet. I'll use leeks or onions. It just happened to be that we've had leeks in the fridge lately when I looked in there. Okay, now it calls for 2 tablespoons of however you say Worcestershire. It looks like that's about all we got left in this one, so. Get some garlic powder. A little chili powder. This one happens to be paprika or chipotle chili pepper, so it gives a little smokiness too. And some Lowry's. And then the shredded cheese. Kind of like the hash brown bake. If you watch that video, you want to reserve some of that back. Well, those are getting a little iffy in there, and I just opened this bag. Stir that up, and this will be the basic menu. Then you can add, you know, whatever things you like to it. So say for instance you want to have more of a barbecue style cheeseburger. Well, you can add barbecue sauce in there. For me, I like to chop up some tomatoes, some pickles, put in there. You could also add mustard or, you know, basically whatever you like to put on your pickles. Or pickles. Woohoo! That's going well. Anyway, whatever you like to put on your burger, you could essentially put in your burger casserole. So there we go. We've got it stirred up pretty good. Got everything in there. Let's get our pan. Hit it with a little no stick. Another thing I forgot to mention earlier is when you cook the noodles, don't cook them all the way to finished. You want to leave them to where they're not quite all the way done, because they will soften as they cook inside here, and nobody really wants a soft noodle. So make sure that you don't overcook those when you're boiling the water and cooking your noodles. All right, once we've got it in the baking pan, then the oven's set for 375. We'll throw it in there for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, go ahead and put the rest of your cheese on top and cook for another 10. And there you've got another quick, easy meal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.